Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making a slightly thinner waffle batter so it spreads thinly and crisps for rolling. Mix dry ingredients first, then whisk wet ingredients until smooth. This reduces lumps and ensures even cooking. Once blended, rest batter 5 minutes to hydrate the flour and relax gluten. This helps flexibility when rolling. Meanwhile, preheat the iron to medium-high and brush with oil so waffles release cleanly. Make one test waffle to calibrate time. Adjust heat if edges brown too fast or interior stays soft. You pour a modest amount, spreading slightly toward edges so the sheet is thin and pliable. Thinness is the key to rolling without cracking. Cook until steam nearly stops and edges lift. This means internal moisture has evaporated enough to hold shape. Once done, remove quickly and invert onto a heat-proof cone or dowel. Use a tapered spatula to lift and guide the edge. Make sure to roll with steady pressure and uniform speed, so the waffle cools in the rolled form, rather than you finish by letting rolls cool on a rack so steam escapes and the tube sets crisp. This prevents sogginess from trapped heat. Once slightly cool, pipe fillings or dust with sugar. If you reheat, do so briefly to avoid softening. For storage, keep in an airtight container. To re-crisp, a few minutes in a 350 degrees oven works. If waffles crack when rolling, make sure batter is thinner, cook a touch less, or add 1 tablespoon oil for elasticity. These tweaks fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.